Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Canva website to GoDaddy domain. This tutorial is beginner friendly and I will walk you through each step clearly and in detail. Make sure to follow along carefully and by the end of this video your domain will be successfully linked. To start, you need a Canva account, preferably a Canva Pro account. The Pro account allows you to publish websites with a custom domain. If you're using the free version, you'll only be able to use Canva's default subdomain. Once you're signed in, head over to the Canva homepage. In Canva, search for website templates. Canva offers a wide range of templates, such as business websites, portfolios, event pages, and more. Choose a template that fits your needs. Once you select a template, Canva will open the editor. Here, you can fully customize the template by adding your images, text, and links. Take your time to make the website reflect your brand or personal style. After completing the design, click the Publish Website button located in the top right corner of the Canva editor. Canva will provide you with a few publishing options. For this tutorial, we'll focus on connecting your website to a custom GoDaddy domain. First, click on the option that says Use a custom domain. This is where Canva allows you to link your domain. Select Connect your domain from a third-party provider. Canva will then generate DNS settings for you. These settings are crucial for connecting your GoDaddy domain. Now, open a new tab and log into your GoDaddy account. Once logged in, go to the My Product section and select the domain you want to connect. Navigate to the DNS settings for that domain. Here, you will need to update the DNS records with the information provided by Canva. In your GoDaddy DNS management page, look for the option to add or edit records. You'll need to add two types of records, a CNAME record and an A record. Canva will provide these details, so simply copy and paste the information into the respective fields on GoDaddy. Save the changes once you're done. After updating the DNS records in GoDaddy, return to Canva and click on Verify to check if the connection is successful. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take up to 72 hours to propagate, so don't worry if the connection isn't immediate. Canva will notify you once your domain is successfully connected. When the verification is complete, your Canva website will be live under your custom GoDaddy domain. You can share the link with your audience and start using your new website. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.